Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Toptal for vetting and higher rates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Look for the sign up button, usually located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You'll be prompted to create an account by entering your email address. Choose a secure password and complete any required information. After filling out your details, check your email for a verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, log in to the Toptal platform. Navigate to the section for freelancers, as you'll be seeking to be vetted. Begin the application process by filling out the necessary personal information. You will be asked about your skills, experience, and areas of expertise. Be thorough and honest in your responses to accurately represent your qualifications. Next, you will need to complete a series of assessments. These assessments will test your technical skills as well as your problem-solving abilities. Once you complete the assessments, you'll move on to the interview stage. Prepare for a live interview with a Toptal representative. They will ask you about your experiences and approach to work. It's essential to demonstrate your competencies and communication skills during this session. After successfully passing the interview, you will enter the vetting process. Toptal will review your application, assessments, and interview performance. Upon approval, you'll gain access to Toptal's network and resources. You will also be able to set your own rates and connect with potential clients. Start exploring job opportunities that match your skills and preferences. When presenting yourself to clients, highlight your strengths and past projects. Keep your availability current and respond promptly to client inquiries. Engage with the Toptal community to enhance your network and learning. This process not only increases your chances for higher rates but also ensures quality client matches. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to a successful freelancing career with Toptal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.